Oh, that's a weird one. Here comes the rain. I don't know what I'm more afraid of. Lightning bolts or UFOs. I'm serious, too. Sometimes I invite them to come visit me and reveal their craft. Come on, UFOs. Reveal thyself. Show me your craft. Hunter, it's raining. Come on, Hunter. Let's go inside. Come on, Hunter. Oh, Boomer. Comes the Boomer. Oh, yeah.
The American Broadcasting Company and affiliated stations present Headline Edition with Taylor Grant.
The 509th Atomic Bomb Group headquarters at Roswell, New Mexico, reports that it has received one of the discs which landed on a ranch outside Roswell. Colonel William Blanchard of the Roswell Air Base refuses to give details of what the flying disc looks like.
Well, if the accounts are to be believed, yes, there have been ET visitation, there have been crashed craft, there have been material and bodies recovered, and there is some group of people somewhere that may or may not be associated with government at this point, but certainly were at one time, that have this knowledge.